Hello, friends, and hello, fellow vintage lovers. This past week has been so busy that I almost forgot to do my final haul from the storage unit sale. There's actually going to be a smaller haul after this showing some of the jewelry I picked up there, but this is the rest of the hard goods. I don't know how I've been patient enough to wait, but I was trying not to put multiple videos out a day, try to kind of spread it out some, because it's a lot. As you can see, it's a lot. So if you are new to my channel or you didn't see the prior videos a couple weeks ago, it's been 2 weeks now, there was a sale in my area. It was someone liquidating, I forgot how many storage units now, 20 I believe, and they were full of vintage and antiques. I didn't even find out about it until the second day, and I went back multiple times. I even enlisted the help of my husband for the final trip. But this is it. This is the final haul from that sale, minus the jewelry, which I'm going to show with other jewelry. That video will probably come out Friday. I have to think about dates here, the 20th. So just so you know, I normally have a sale with Sabrina. Simon Says Let's Make a Deal. That sale is usually on Wednesday, but this week we're having it on Thursday. So it's on the 19th at 4 Eastern, 3 Central on her channel. That information is on my community page, but I hope you guys can come in and say hi. I've picked up a few new subscribers, and just come say hi. There's never any pressure to purchase anything. We usually have a really good chat going. We've got some regulars that come in, and it's always fun. Then on Saturday of this week, I have an earlier sale, a little bit early, for me at least. It's at noon Eastern, 11 a.m. Central, and it's on my channel. And this week we have a special guest, Angela from Dear Angela's Vintage. I'm so excited. I haven't had a sale with Angela in a while. And it's going to be a variety sale. So we'll have everything from vintage to antiques to jewelry. You just never know. Okay, without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get started, because as you can see here, there's quite a few things. There are a couple things I kind of messed up on, but that's okay. I like to learn as I go. I know a lot of you do as well. There were some surprises here too when I looked at values of some of these items. So I'm going to start over here. I normally do. These are amazing. So these are Italian. They are mid-century. These amazing grapes. They even have glass leaves, hand blown. They're amazing. They're in excellent condition. Guys, they glow like crazy. Are you ready for this? Can you see this glow? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. They're so good. They're glass. They're fantastic. They're so cool. They're so pretty. I love these. Oh my gosh, I just love them. The stem is wrapped. Is it leather? It's some sort of twine maybe. I'm not quite sure. But I got 2 bunches of grapes. Then back here, I picked up 3 of these mugs. So these are stoneware, and they're from Scotland. They only had one of this really cool medieval tapestry mug. What is it? It says people eating. It's like a feast. And tapestries adapted from medieval wall hangings. Blah, blah, blah. Danoon, stoneware made in Scotland. So I love this. I got it thinking if no one purchases it, I'll keep it because I love it. Then over here, I got 2 more Danoon pieces. These are cats. I was really surprised at the comps on these guys. And these 2 are different. So you've got this kitty in front of this cottage with all this beautiful flowers. And then you've got a kitty with flowers again, but it's a bigger kitty, and he's got butterflies, and he's got friends. So these comp really, really well, guys. I was very surprised. I know there are some cat lovers that come to my sales, and I had to get them. Okay, I'm switching back over here for a second. Back here, I got this, and it looks like this is from 1985. I thought it was maybe older, but it is this olive oil tin. It's marked Amco on the bottom, patent number. I don't know. I might have to look this one up again. It's rusty and crusty, but I love it that way. I love the hinge top. Obviously, this is Italian. It's got the same graphic on the other side. Is that not adorable? Oh, it's so cool. Just to have that on display in your kitchen, yes. Then I picked this tin up. And this tin is a little rusty and crusty too. I have actually bought and sold this tin before. This courting couple there. They're very serious about something. Really, really serious. Then I got this. I got this beautiful Jeanette picture from the 60s. I think it's the 60s. It is a tall, really nice sized picture, and it has these beautiful swans on it. I have never picked this one up before, so I went ahead and did, but guess what I didn't notice? There's a little flea bite there. But that's okay. It's still beautiful. It's still usable. It does hold water. Oh, I didn't notice there were little baby swans there. Yeah, it's really, really pretty. Then back here, this is kind of a tease of the jewelry. This is a cowrie shell necklace. Look at the center of this pendant. Oh, it's so freaking cool. Look at the back and look at the shells. This is so well made. I saw listings for this similar, up to like $100. So yeah, love that. There is a brooch that came with it. I'm not even showing it right now. Let me grab the brooch. Here is the brooch. It preserved so well over time, and these are real pearls. Look at the workmanship in this, guys. It's amazing. Okay, then up here, this is imperial glass. This is a beautiful carnival iridescent dish. I love it. I love imperial glass. I love these pieces. I think it's beautiful. This one is in perfect condition. Then I got these two little cups. So this is Nippon. This is antique. Little demitasse little cup. It was marked as being a toothpick holder, but I think it's a little cup. Then this one is Johnson Brothers. This one is also antique. I did not notice it has a crack in it, but it's got, this was a line of American history dinnerware that they did. So this one is definitely like a little demitasse. But you know what? This would be so cute. For Christmas, you could put something in there, make an assemblage out of it, even with that crack. But if nobody purchases it, I will display it with some other Johnson Brothers that I inherited from my great-great-aunt. Then back here is this amazing, oh my gosh, this Talavera squirrel. So he is from Mexico, and he is signed on the bottom. Look at this guy. He is so cute. Mex A. I don't know if A is the artist name or if it's like a province in Mexico. I'm not sure. But he is amazing. So you can hang him on the wall. You can do whatever you want with him. He's great. He's so good. Okay, then back here, this is a vintage hand-painted Chinese plate. Oops. I just thought the colors would be really nice for fall. This deep kind of rusty color, the deep red. I don't know. Plates don't really sell very well for me, and this is made by Toyo. But there was just something about this. So I don't know, guys. Should I stop picking up plates even if I think they're beautiful? The answer probably is yes. If you're a reseller, you're like, duh. Okay, then back here, I'm not going to move this one, but I got yet another console dish / planter. This one is Hull, Hull. And it is beautiful. Look at this color green. So I did just wash all of these pieces. So if you see water, that's why. I love this. I love this design. It is beautiful. It is large. I had forgotten I got another large console dish. Oh my goodness. Okay, right here. Right here. This is the biggest rosary I have ever seen. This is made in France. It's like wall art. I mean, you can do whatever you want with it, but it would be amazing on a wall. Here is Christ on the cross at the very bottom of it. And each of these rosary beads has a face in it. Some are Mary. I did see some of Jesus. This is so special. I have never seen anything like this before. When I looked this one up, the only thing I saw was one listed for $180, I believe. I may be off on the prices. It's been a long day. And it's still hot here in Texas. But yeah, I just thought that was super cool, as well as this. So this is from Spain. This is a type of damascene. Now, what this really, or originally was to hold your little cocktail swords. Do you guys remember those cocktail swords? Unfortunately, they didn't come with this, but I picked up the stand anyway because I think it's really cool. You could do all sorts of things with this. You could put jewelry on it. You know, it'd have to be like little rings maybe. I think it's a great display piece on its own. Isn't that cool? I'd never seen that before. Then this is mid-century. If my research is correct, this is from the 50s, and it's Japan. It's definitely Japan. What am I saying? This really cool vase. I love this color, and I love the bamboo. Here is the older Made in Japan sticker on the bottom, and I'm gonna have to get my loop out to see what that is. It looks like it's a signature maybe. This vase is so cool. I love it. Now these two, I'm not quite sure who makes them. This is a little, it could be an ashtray, it could be a toothpick holder. It's like a miniature scuttle for coal, and it has a metal handle there. It's amber. It does not glow, but this little vase does. It's just a little hand-blown amber vase. Here's the bottom there. It glows, so let me show you the glow on this. Okay, I'm gonna try to get it to show in there. It's not really working very well for me right now, but it looks like there is some sort of a green glow, a cadmium glow in there. Oh, I cannot talk today. Oh, and then this. So if you've been watching my channel for a while, or if you know me, yes, my band, had to get it. It's on cassette, Rumors. You know, I just had to. I saw it there and I was like, I have to get it. I'm pretty sure I already have a couple copies of it, but that's okay. You can't have too many. And yes, the cassette is in there. Okay, guys, I think I have shown everything from that amazing storage unit. I hope you guys can come to one of my sales. If not, thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. I'm only 15 away from 1,000 subscribers as of right now as I'm filming this. As soon as I hit that, there's going to be some giveaways. So you guys stay tuned for that. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye.